focus on me.
What's up, family? What's up, family? How y'all doing today? Y'all, today we just gonna be chilling. Y'all see your girl got her little drink going. Y'all know I don't drink that often, but I said, you know, today is a holiday and I want to chill and relax. So, you know, your girl had to make a little Remy and eggnog. Today, though, y'all, we just gonna be doing a little chick. Come on now. Today we just gonna be doing a little chill, you know, ASMR vibe. Like, you know, we ain't gonna do too much talking in this video this time. Alright, y'all just watch the video and just enjoy the music and the vibe. Y'all don't forget to make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, bing bong, ping, so you can be notified every time that your girl upload a new video. I ain't talking about Alright, y'all, so if y'all looking at this part right here, your girl had almost drunk the whole glass of eggnog. So I had messed up a little bit. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I messed up a little bit. I added half of a cup too much of cornmeal, and yeah, I didn't add enough wet ingredients in it, so the cornbread didn't look good when I pulled it out. Y'all didn't see that part. Sugar baby. Never caught. They gotta be covered with some water. Why you take it out that bowl?
I need it for my
Oh.
You guys put it down, get brown.
Yeah, they gotta be covered. have been cooled out by now. It's still hot.
What?
It's cornbread. Let me set you up. Let me set you up. So you can. California. Hey. Then tell me. Not even stormy weather. Hey, Damn, you know I forgot? I didn't put no vegetables in this thing.
You know, right, this is all.
You got what?
Good.
Well, I got a whole bag on here. At this point, your girl is really feeling good right now, okay?
What's in here? Celery.
Celery, lettuce, celery, onions, and green peppers. All of what's supposed to be in here.
What's the oven on for?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't.
The dressing?
No.
I should have. Well, yeah, I messed up. So I should have cooked those vegetables prior to me putting them in. But like I said, your girl had been drinking, feeling good off that one little cup, and I forgot to cook them. It turned out good, but I wish I would have cooked them just for a little bit, right?
Did I call you? Look, just. Mm-hmm. Ain't no secret for you.
Us in the microwave because they like get microwave from the inside.
Yeah.
Man, that looks good.
Y'all already know that Monster is gonna do a lot of whining and crying because he wants to get out of his crate, but he will not be out of his crate
running around me while I'm cooking. So he gonna do a lot of whining like he always do per usual. So right here, y'all, we making some baked macaroni and cheese. You know, Thanksgiving ain't right if you ain't got baked macaroni and cheese on the table, right? So with my macaroni and cheese, I do a little cheese sauce first. I do the Velveeta and the milk just to, you know, have a little sauce to it. Then I mix it in with my noodles. I got some half and half, and then I got like 4 bags of cheese. Typically, though, I usually don't use the shredded cheese. I usually shred the cheese myself, but I was like, no, ma'am. Who's finna shred cheese this year? Not I. So I got the sharp cheddar, mozzarella, and provolone. I got the macaroni and cheese blend cheese from Meyer. I think it's got Asiago in it, sharp cheddar, and another, I think, mozzarella in it as well. Yeah, I'm just gonna mix all this up. I'm gonna add 2 eggs in it, and then sprinkle some cheese on the top of that thing, and that's gonna be it. You know, I like to put a little paprika on there too, and I just, y'all just seen I added some seasoning salt in there, just a little tad bit, you know, just a little something. But yeah, I just want to let y'all know, you know, my recipe, and get on to it.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. Things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth, we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
I think lipstick or no? I feel like it's just like, you know, something simple, you know. I had to throw on something for Thanksgiving, y'all. I just got on one of these basic t-shirts from H&M, and then I got on these ribbed Chanel leggings that I got from Fashion Nova. They like that. The color is olive, so I figure, you know, this would go for the holiday thing. Let me see what my jacket is. y'all like this jacket with it? That's cute, right? I ain't got on no shoes, y'all. No shoes, cause I'm in the house, but I want to, you know, I want to be put together at least, you know, for Thanksgiving, right? Let me love you down. Hey, it's time to eat, y'all. Come on now. Hey. Kiss you, squeeze you, touch you. Let me love you down. What you doing for your birthday?
Nothing.
Y'all ain't going to the Black Rock on?
They still want to. I think we is. It don't matter to me, but I didn't really want to do nothing. I can't go. I got work on her birthday. So.
How's work? Yeah? You like it? Right, y'all seen the previous clip where I showed y'all the candy yams, the macaroni and cheese, but my little cousins came over, and so I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of what we got left, right? I got potato salad, dressing with the chicken. Got that ham. I don't eat ham, but my son made it. Fried corn. That strawberry cobbler, y'all. We got the turkey legs with the gravy. And we got them greens right there, y'all. All right, y'all. So I just want to show y'all, you know, what we was doing for Thanksgiving. I had a good time today and yesterday cooking with y'all. So before I get up out of here, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell. Bing, bong, ping. So you be notified every time that your girl upload a new video, right? All right. Thanks for watching.